Alright, so here is the box. Brambleberry.com. So for the record, I've never actually... Oh shit. I kind of didn't want this one to open at all. No problem. Okay, so I will dig a little deeper. Maybe. Did that do it? How the hell am I having an unboxing video and I can't even unbox anything? Okay, cool. So, it's open! And apparently I need to go to the gym. So, first things first, they're showing me all about their little kids. Cool. Put that to the side. We don't need that. So I decided I wanted to do a soap making kit. So, okay, let's be smart. Okay. Don't need that either. Relaxing lavender soap. And this is supposed to be beginner's kit. Oh, okay. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Alright, so cool. Warnings, what the kit's supposed to have. So this is supposed to have a 10-inch silicone loaf mold, lather quick mix, sodium hydroxide lye, sodium lactate, lavender, ultramarine violet oxide, lavender buds, goggles, gloves, scale. Oh, I'm so glad they... I'm not being sarcastic. I'm actually glad that they thought about the whole safety factor. Cool. Lots. Oh. I have no idea what this stuff is, but it seems interesting. And because they want you to use all sorts of gloves and protective equipment, I'm assuming that it's pretty dangerous. And it's going to be a pain to clean up later. Whatever. Alright. So... cardboard Eddie. Okay, let me stop. Alright. What is this? This is, alcoholic additive. Sodium hydroxide lye. Ooh, it comes with warning. Corrosive. Oh boy. Okay. Not a problem. Who knew soap making was so dangerous? Alright, more cardboard confetti. We got the these. This is the sodium lactate. This is the lavender essential oil. Okay, well I guess I can't smell it through the plastic that's around it in the sealed container. Ooh, dried lavender. Fancy. Okay. So I'm assuming this is the glove, nice and rolled up. This is the color. And this is the, I guess, the loaf mold. Cool. Oh, I'm going to be so fashionable. Safety goggles. Now the question is, do I have something that's small enough to be able to take off that zip tie? I hope so. Cardboard Betty. Okay. And a kitchen scale. I'm actually... Okay, so first impressions that I'm actually pretty impressed because it literally gives you everything you need. There is no, we're going to give you 90% of the items, but you got to go out and buy the 10%, and here's the one to buy. Oh, you can buy them through our website? Okay, cool. I mean, so far, this looks like a very comprehensive kit, and not that I have to actually check, that I have all the items, because I'm assuming that I do have all of the items, but... It comes with a recipe, and by the way, I actually do use a lot of homemade soap because the store-bought stuff is really not that great for me. So let's see. Protect your sieve. Okay, I can do that. 2 hours time. Yields 8 to 10 bars. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. It actually comes with the labels for if I actually want to, I guess, sell these. That's pretty awesome. Okay, Brambleberry is definitely on my list of favorites. I'm actually going to put this kit together in a separate video. That way I can go through the process and hopefully not blow up the house or cause issues or end up in the ER because I didn't completely follow directions. But I'm actually probably going to go to, looks like it needs a measuring cup, so I'm going to actually go to the thrift store and buy a measuring cup because why pay full price for anything? Okay, I don't mind paying full price. I just know the thrift store has a lot of measuring cups. I'll just have to figure out how big of a cup that I need. Looks like I'm going to need 2 cups. One to measure, one to mix. Medium glass container. Separate medium glass container. Okay. This is looks like a very comprehensive kit, and I might have to actually color my glasses here because that'll be pretty awesome. Whatever. Cool. Hopefully you'll check out the next video. Have you ever made soap before? Let me know. And this is L6 signing off until next time.